students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, 25th December, we celebrated the birthday of Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the great leader. Qaid Azam means the great leader. He was very brave and wise man. He was the one who had the wonderful idea and worked tirelessly to create a separate country for us, Pakistani. He gave us guiding principles of unity, faith and discipline. Our promise, because of the Qaid, we live in peace with everyone. We must remember his teachings. We must study hard, be honest, and live in peace with everyone. Let us promise to make Pakistan strong and safe. Let us promise to make Qaid Azam proud. Thank you.